How an installation is done. As you all know, for a solar system, we have more than one components. And to come up with a proper installation, a number of procedures have to be followed. And I'll mention a few for each and every particular component. I'll start with the solar panels. Number one, solar panels, they have to be mounted in the right position. If you mount them in a wrong position, they will end up undercharging your batteries, and at the end of the day, that system will not perform as expected. Number two, solar panels have to be mounted on solar stands or panel stands. Solar panels that are laid directly on the roof, they are subjected to higher chances of underperformance as a result of temperature challenges. Batteries. Batteries have to be connected as per the requirements of the system design. Number two, they have to be connected in a safe place that is free, that is having enough aeration, it's free from water leakages, and it's free from high temperatures, because high temperatures also affects their performance. Charge controllers. Charge controllers have to be connected next to the solar batteries using the right size of cables to avoid issues of voltage drop. Inverters. Also, inverters have to be connected as close as possible to the batteries and using the right cable sizes for the input and output points. Thank you for watching. See you next time.